How to have a healthier wallet in 2016. Hello everyone, Roancel is here of 1 Million Club. In this video, let me discuss 3 important things that you can do to have a healthier wallet in 2016. Number 1, list down your big why. List down your reasons why you want to improve your financial situation. First, imagine your pains last year. Maybe your boss shouted on you in front of many people. Gusto mo mag-resign pero di mo magawa kasi iniisip mo you have bills na kailangan mong bayaran. Maybe ang biyahe mo araw-araw umaabot ng 4 na oras. Gusto mo magpahinga pero kailangan mong pumasok araw-araw sa opisina. Maybe gusto mo nang lumipat ng bahay dahil nahihirapan ka na makisama pero di ka makalipat kasi wala kang pera pang deposit sa bagong bahay. Maybe gusto mo makasama anak mo pero di mo magawa dahil kailangan mo mag-overtime para may pambayad ka sa lumalaki mong utang. Kailan mo sasabihing, never again? 2016 is the best time to start. Write your financial goals. Say yes to zero debt, say yes to saving money, say yes to investment, say yes to increasing your cash flow. Again, the first step is to list down your big why. Bakit ka ba mag-iipon? Is it to quit your full-time job so that you can have more quality time with your family? When? Put a deadline and compute how much money you need to save to attain your target fund. Mahirap po ang mag-ipon. Kapag nahihirapan ka, go back to your list of big why. It will inspire you. Isipin mo na mas importante ang goals mo kesa sa challenges. Second, increase your cash flow. Sabi nga di dapat puro plano, dapat may action. To achieve your financial goals, you have to increase your cash flow. There are 2 ways that you can do to increase your cash flow. First, reduce your expenses. Dapat disiplinahin mo sarili mo. Buy only what you need. Eliminate wants. Ano ba yung wants? Soft drinks, manicure and pedicure for girls, Yossi. Ito yung mga bagay na mabubuhay ka kahit di mo bilhin. Second way to increase your cash flow is to increase your income. Madalas kaya wala tayong naiipon kasi umaasa lang tayo sa current salary natin kung empleyado tayo. Kung gusto mo talaga makaipon, huwag kang umasa lang sa sweldo mo. Pwede ka magtinda sa office nyo during lunch break. Pwedeng pagkain, damit, depende sa hilig mo. Pwede ka magtinda online using Facebook. Pwede ka magtinda ng sabon, pabango, again, depende sa hilig mo. Pwede ka din kumita na extra by offering your service like tutorial, blogging, maraming online jobs that you can do in your spare time. Marami pang ways to earn extra. What are the benefits of increasing your cash flow? First benefit, mas madali mong mababayaran mga utang mo. Mas mabilis ka magbayad, mas maliit ang magko-compound na interest na dapat mong bayaran. Second benefit, makakaipon ka ng emergency fund at makakapag-invest ka. Let us assume na nakakapag-invest ka ng 3,000 a month for 10 years. Assuming rate of return per year is 12%, your investment fund will become 690,116. Sabihin na natin na hinayaan mo lang yung 690,116, di ka na nagdagdag uli. After 5 more years, earning 12% per year, your fund will become 1,216,220.19. And for another 5 more years, through the power of compounding interest, your fund will become 2,143,395.54. Malaki ba ang maitutulong kung may fund ka na 2.1 million? Definitely yes. And the third benefit of increasing your cash flow, you have more options. Sabi nga, being rich is not just having money. Being rich is having options. If you have investment of 2.1 million, as I have explained in my previous illustration, you have the option now to quit your full-time job. You can start your own business. You have option to take vacation with your family. You can now afford to travel. Or you can date yourself, enjoy your coffee while reading a good book and relax, without worrying again about the money. Third and the most important, focus on your daily routine. Being successful is not just one-time event. Kung gusto mo mabago financial situation mo, alisin mo ang lotto mindset mo. Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, hindi get rich quick scheme. Di ito instant. This is about law of sowing and reaping. Kapag may itinanim, maya-anihin. If you want permanent benefits, you have to sow. Sowing is about daily routine. If you want to improve your personal finance, you have to work smart every single day. You have to discipline yourself every single day. You have to wake up early every single day. You have to be with the right people every single day. You have to use your money wisely every single day. There is no secret to success, you just have to focus on your daily routine. Sabi nga, if you do the right thing, you are one day closer to your dreams. Again, how to have a healthier wallet in 2016. Number 1, list down your big why. Second, increase your cash flow. Third, and the most important, focus on your daily routine. I love what T.L. Nash said. It may not always be easy, but it will always be worth it. Have faith in yourself. If you do, you will be amazed at what you can accomplish. Do you want to improve your financial situation? First step is to educate yourself. We are conducting free practical money management and investment strategies in Makati and Cebu. For those located in other provinces and outside the Philippines, we are conducting webinar. 1 Million Club is here to help you. Please visit www.1millionclub.com and please subscribe if you like this video. And if you want to learn more about investments, you may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com. Thank you for watching this video.